never see the rain. I really, really love my lady. She's perfect, perfect, perfectly imperfect.
Good morning, everyone. I'm late for class. It's about 9:15, and usually I'm up early for my 9 o'clock class, but I'm late. I had a tough night last night. Yeah, I didn't go to bed till I think about like 5:30 in the morning. So 2.5 hours of sleep because I ended up getting up at 9. It took me 15 minutes to get ready, so that's a good way to start off the morning, right? But I'm glad we're just doing final speeches, so I think I'm good. Just gonna head to class and probably steal me a seat in the back and go get some coffee before my psych class. See you guys later.
According to a document published by the Non-GMO Project Organization, a GMO is a genetic organism whose genetic material has been artificially manipulated. But now, if you wait and you eat the non-GMO stuff, you might be saving yourself a lot of organ problems in the future, or maybe even medical bills in the future.
Even when I say Chrissy, they put Christy. Thanks, guys. Starbucks, you're awesome. But I got my Starbucks, so I'm so chill. So there's all these kids here. They're so freaking adorable. They're so small. I'm back in my room after class. I just finished eating. I'm just really tired. I changed because my sweater that I was wearing was sticking to my back, and it was just really uncomfortable, and I just feel so much more free with just a tank top on, so I changed. I'm watching Netflix right now, and I think I'm gonna take a nap because I didn't get in that much sleep. So see you guys later. So I just woke up from my nap and I'm just watching Netflix. Not really hungry, so just chilling right now. I'm just watching reruns of Sons of Anarchy. Man, I miss this show. I think I'm on the last episode, so yeah, I've been binge watching season 7. Other than that, I'm not doing nothing. Just chilling. So I'm finally out because they came and knocked on my door. Got myself up out of bed. Finally. We're going to Dead Parrots, and Dead Parrots is a comedy group at Western, so yeah.
I know.
Yeah, so good thing I live right outside the way they're doing it.
You live somewhere like, do you love it? Yes or no? And I'll probably say yes. It's like, you already have something?
This is perfect for Tosh. She's a bioholic. She buys everything. Everything.
You need a stranger.
Ah! Why? I was gonna use that hand.
I need a stranger. Chrissy, we're not strangers. Take your hand off.
Okay.
Tosh, we're not strangers. Take your hand off. I already know you. I'm like, don't. No, you don't. I'm Jeffrey.
fighting mother and daughter.
You're not Jack.
He doesn't like you. Don't talk to me.
No, stop.
Jackie, I see you. We saw your brother earlier. Jackie,
You're not Jack. You're not Jack. You're not Jack. No, you're not. No, you're not Jack. No, you're not Jack. No, you're not. No, you're not. Jabba, your edges are gonna go up. I'm Jackie. No, you're not.
World star.
That's too much responsibility. Would you like me back, son? Does this count? Dungeons aren't real, okay?
I have something to say to you.
Say it, baby.
What the heck? I'd be like, I'm fine. I don't need help. I need...
Don't touch my breath.
Why would you know way?
A friend of mine was on the newspaper
Was on the newspaper? What were they on the newspaper?
for protesting against Christians.
Protesting against Christian, was it like Brother Jed or whatever?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna tell a story about one of my very good friends. So on the count of 3, can we all yell "Get back in here" to Michael to get him in here? So 1, 2, 3, get back in here!
Or not.
Michael!
I'm so sorry!
I had the craziest day.
Okay.
And I need to tell someone, and you're the person here for me to tell you. But my voice really hurts right now, of course. So I'm going to do what we normally do when my voice hurts. I'm going to act it out.
Yeah.
Okay. You ready?
Yes.
Cool.
Hey, I gotta express something to you.
Yeah,
Okay?
love it.
Just get out of your way.
Sure.
Here's the thing. I have my personal source. Stay away from me.
Yeah.
So how many ways is there to say something politely? 2. There's the nice way and there's the nice aggressive way. You can say okie dokie, or you can say okie dokie. It's some nice. I said excuse me, didn't I? And did I say please? Excuse me please, excuse me please. They're both nice. I was still being nice. I could have been ruder, okay? Ruder is not a word! Let me know in the comments if you guys still think it's nice.
I'm back home from the Dead Parrot Society and late night, so I didn't really do much today. Sorry for the lack of footage, but yeah, I promise tomorrow there will be way more events. Tomorrow is Relay for Life, so I'll be helping the WWE dance team to raise money for Relay for Life, which is like a cancer organization. So that's a 24-hour event all throughout tomorrow. So that's what's happening. I gotta charge my camera just so that I don't lose any footage and I get all of the things that are worth getting into the vlog tomorrow. So yeah, stay tuned for tomorrow. Tomorrow will probably be a really eventful night or day, night and day. So yeah, stay perfectly imperfect. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, do whatever. Bye.
All I'm gonna need is a story, something that's like happened to you today, like an interesting, weird thing that's happened in your life for real.
My boyfriend.
That's fine.